Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to block contacts on WhatsApp web. Why would you want to know how to block contacts on WhatsApp web? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp and not sure how to block contacts on WhatsApp web. So today I am going to show you how to block contacts on WhatsApp web. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Blocking contacts on WhatsApp web is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will block contacts on WhatsApp web. First of all, open WhatsApp web in your browser. Now here is my WhatsApp web home screen. And then first open any chat and now click on three dots in the right top corner and then select block and now click on block. And that account has been blocked on WhatsApp. So there you go. If you were wondering how to block contacts on WhatsApp web, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.